The Orlando Police Department is unveiling a new program to get results when it comes to mental health in the community. Mental health professionals will soon join officers responding to certain crisis calls. And as News 6's Crystal Moyer tells us, the goal is to connect those in need with support and treatment.
2 community response teams will soon be on staff here at the Orlando Police Department. Each team is made up of 1 licensed clinician and 1 case manager. According to the Orlando Police Department, its officers respond to an average of 50 calls a day for emergencies dealing with mental health.
And they're asking for us to send them help, and help does not necessarily mean sending the police all the time.
OPD is partnering with Aspire Health to create community response teams. Trained mental health professionals will be responding to some nonviolent calls that require mental health support. The pilot program is costing the city $40,000 a month. Chief Orlando Rolone says it's what the community has been asking for.
That clinicians, licensed professionals who have the expertise to diffuse and help individuals in crisis are the ones carrying that torch.
Rolone says the team members have been shadowing officers. 911 call operators have been trained to determine how to respond.
If there's no violence and no history of weapons and the person is in crisis, then we can send our mental health, the crisis response team.
The teams will arrive in a marked vehicle like this one, identifying them as CRT members. A licensed clinician like Crystal Rollerson will respond.
We're going to be evaluating exactly what those families need in the community.
Then the case manager will help connect their clients with the right resources,
make their appointments, connect them, and then do a follow-up.
OPD police are not involved, but the CRTs will have police radio so they can call an officer if they need further assistance. The community response teams are expected to complete their training by the end of the month and start their calls for service. The pilot program will go through December 31st. In Orlando, Crystal Moyer, Getting Results, News 6.